For our final video, boys and girls, all I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a series of 9 pairs of numbers, and what I want you to do is just compare them, and you have to fill in: is it greater than? Is the first fraction greater than or less than the second fraction? So I'll give you the fractions, and then I just want you to pause the video. I'll give you the fractions, write them down. Once you've written them all down, pause the video and go through and see what you figure out. All right. First one is 1/1 or 1/2. Then we have 3/7 or 4/9. And we have 1/2 or 3/5. We have 2/5 or 4/7. And we have 4/6 or 6/10. And we have 2/9 over 3/4. And we have 1/4 or 2/6, 4/10 or 3/8, and then finally 5/8 or 3/3. Now I'm just going to put like just a blue line in between so you know which ones you are supposed to compare. And again, is it greater than or less than? I will tell you right now that none of them are equal to. So again, now that you have all your numbers down, please pause the video and work the problem. Use your fraction bars to help you out, and when you think you have all the responses, start the video and check and see how you did. Hopefully, ladies and gentlemen, you paused the video and you are ready to check your work. And here we go. The first one, we have 1 over 1, which is rather 1 over 1 and 1/2. Well, 1 over 1 is right here because that's 1 of 1. And 1/2 is right here. Well, which is greater? It is 1 over 1. Then we have 1/2, and I'm going to color on mine just because I'll be able to erase. We have 1/2, which is right here, and then we have, whoops, went a little far, 3/5, which would be here. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Well, which is greater? That is 3/5. Give me a second to grab my eraser. I will erase this, and we'll do the next one. Okay. For those of you who had problems with this, a good way is to use your ruler, and you can just put your ruler on this. Just put your ruler on the first line, and then figure out where the second one is going to be. All right. This next one, 4/6. So let's find 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's find our tens. We need 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one of those is greater? Well, if you look, 6, and take a line straight down, 4/6 is greater than 6/10. Let's erase this now. Our next one is 1/4. Let's find 1/4, which is right here. Oops, I actually need a pen here. 1/4. And 2/6. 2/6. Well, which one goes further? Well, if you look, 2/6 is, so 1/4 is less than 2/6. Our next one looks like 3/7. So let's go with 3/7 here. Find one. Oops. Gotta remember 1, 2, 3, and then 4/9, which is going to be below it. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this one's pretty close, boys and girls, but if you notice, The ninths is just, and that's a horrible line, the ninths is just a little bit farther, so our response is 4 ninths, oops, 4 ninths is greater than, or 3 sevenths is less than 4 ninths. Up next we have 2 fifths, which, let's find the 5 right here, and we want 2 of them. 2 fifths right there. And then we have 4 sevenths. We'll switch over to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this one's not really close. 4 sevenths is greater than 2 fifths. Let's erase. Got the last 3 here. 2 ninths, which we'll go with 2 ninths, 1, 2, and then 3 fourths, which would be here, and I'm just going to draw 1, 2, 3. Wow, this one's not even close, is it? So 2 ninths is less than 3 fourths. Give me a second to erase. And 4 tenths. So find 10, go 1, oops. I keep forgetting. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's find 3 eighths. Eighths, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Well, if we look at our lines here, the 4 tenths is greater than 3 eighths. And our final one, boys and girls. We have 5 eighths. 5 eighths, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths. And then we have 3 thirds, which we'll do here. 1, 2, 3. 3 thirds is the same as 1, so 3 thirds, 5 eighths is less than 3 thirds. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the videos. Hopefully you got them all right. I'm sorry they're a little bit long, but that's what happens when we combine 2 lessons. If you have any questions, please talk to Mr. Winkleman. These fraction bars are great as we're trying to learn how to compare fractions. Eventually we'll learn more skills on how to compare them, but this is a great place to start. Once you're done, make sure you understand everything. Can you answer the question, what is a fraction? And then, how do we use a fraction bars to compare fractions? If you can, go see Mr. Winkleman. He's got a wonderful gift for you, and yeah. Good luck.